Hello everyone. For thousands of years, wars were fought by soldiers. Armies relied on human intelligence, strategy, and physical strength. But today, something new is entering the battlefield. Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming how wars are planned, fought, and even won. From autonomous drones to intelligent surveillance systems, modern warfare is beginning to look very different from the wars of the past. So how exactly is artificial intelligence being used in war? And what could this mean for the future of global conflict? Let's explore. One of the biggest ways AI is being used in warfare is through surveillance and intelligence gathering. Modern militaries collect enormous amounts of data from satellites, drones, and sensors. Analyzing this data used to take days or even weeks. But AI systems can now analyze massive amounts of information within minutes. This allows military commanders to detect enemy movements faster and make decisions more quickly. Another area where AI is changing warfare is through autonomous drones. Drones have already become a major part of modern military operations, but AI is making them even more powerful. Some drones can now identify targets, track movements, and navigate complex environments with minimal human control. This technology allows militaries to carry out missions that would be extremely dangerous for human soldiers. AI is also improving cyber warfare. Modern conflicts are not fought only with tanks and missiles. They are also fought in cyberspace. AI systems can detect cyber attacks, defend networks, and sometimes even launch automated counterattacks. In the future, cyber warfare powered by AI could become one of the most important battlefields. Artificial intelligence is also helping military forces plan strategies. Advanced AI simulations can analyze thousands of possible scenarios and suggest the most effective strategies. This allows commanders to predict outcomes and adapt their plans quickly during combat. But while AI offers many advantages in warfare, it also raises serious concerns. Autonomous weapons, sometimes called killer robots, could potentially make life and death decisions without direct human control. Many scientists and world leaders are debating whether such technologies should be restricted or regulated. The fear is that if AI weapons become too powerful, they could increase the speed and scale of conflicts. Some experts worry that future wars could be fought almost entirely by machines, with fewer humans making decisions. Artificial intelligence is already reshaping the battlefield, but the long-term consequences are still uncertain. Will AI make wars more precise and reduce human casualties? Or will it create new and more dangerous forms of conflict? Only time will tell. One thing is certain, artificial intelligence is changing warfare in ways that would have been impossible to imagine just a few decades ago. And the future of war may depend not just on soldiers, but on algorithms. What do you think? Will AI make war safer or more dangerous? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you're interested in the future of technology, artificial intelligence, and global security, subscribe to AI Work Radar, because the future of technology is already unfolding.